Varsha Shibi turn on. G Rahul, B Nisha, Ashwida. G Rahul, turn on the camera. And Amafrost, turn on camera. Ashwida, are you going to turn on the camera? Always have to call this girl name. Okay, now Sir will be joining.
Yes, students, good morning, all of you. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Okay, children, can you hear my voice? Okay. Welcome to Sanvi Learning Services School at your fingertips. So today we are going to discuss class 10 mathematics, chapter 5, quadratic equations. Okay, children. So we are going to discuss fifth chapter, quadratic equations. Okay. Aim of the topic is to know about quadratic equations and solving exercise 5.1, 5.2 and 5.4 problems. And the agenda is today we are going to discuss solving word problems. From exercise 5.2, solving word problems. So before entering into the topic, we all know that tables, how they are important in solving problems. Okay, so every student should learn the tables perfectly. Then only you can solve the problems easily without any difficulty. Okay, so in the part of learning tables, today's table, Amina Saher.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Today's table, girl.
So 19 table completed.
Yes, 90 table completed. Today 20 table. So you read 20
Okay, sir.
table, other students they will repeat. Students, now Amina is reciting the 20 table. You all have to repeat it. Okay? Start, girl.
21 is the 40, 23 is the 60, 24 is the 80, 25 is the 100, 26 is the 120, 27 is 140, 28 is 160, 29 is 180, 20 10 is 200.
Very good, Amina. Excellent. So 20 table you set
Thank you, sir.
perfectly without any mistakes. Very good. Children, see Hamina how set the 20 table without any mistakes. So you also be perfect up to 20 tables. Okay. Are you all practicing tables or not daily? Okay, today's table is 20 table. You all of you perfect in 20 table. Okay. Now coming to the topic, exercise 5.2. How many of you yesterday I have given some homework? 2 problems you complete the 2 problems I said. How many of you completed? Show your homework. Divyasri, Amina, Sharanya, Grishma have completed. Very good, Grishma. Sravya have completed. Very good, Sravya. What about Varun Kumar? Not showing. Have you done or not? Should complete compulsory. You should do the homework. Okay. So very good, children. Almost all the students have done. Very good, all of you. Varshini also have done. Srihan have done. Pallavi have done. Very good. So very good, children. Now coming to the next problem. Which problem now, Sharanya?
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Sharanya.
Sir, I finished up to 7th problem.
Okay.
Maybe you need to explain 5th problem, sir.
Okay.
You gave this as
So I
homework,
have
sir.
given 2 problems homework. 6th and 7th. I have given homework.
Yes, sir.
Now in this exercise 8, 9, 10 problems are left. Okay, now coming to 8th problem. Can you please rate once 8th problem, Sharanya? Can you see the textbook on screen? Okay, read the problem.
Yes, sir. Two trains leave a railway station at the same time. The first train travels towards west and the second train towards north. The first train travels 5 km per hour faster than the second train. If after 2 hours they are 50 km apart, find the average speed of each train.
Okay, very good, Sharanya. So what is asking here? See, this train problems or boat problems are very important, children. Okay, so this type of problems will come in your in competitive exams also. So this train problems or boat problems or clock problems very important. So here's what is saying here: two trains travels. Two trains leave a railway station at the same time. Okay, two trains are leaving a railway station at the same time. So how they are leaving? See, the first train travels towards west. Okay, the first train travels towards west side, and the second train towards north. First train is traveling west side, and second train is traveling north side. Okay. The first train travels 5 km per hour faster than the second train. Here information is given about the first train. Okay. So what information is given? The first train is traveling 5 km per hour faster than the second train. Okay. If after 2 hours, they are 50 kilometers apart. After 2 hours, they are 50 kilometers apart. Find the average speed of the each train. So we have to find the average speed of the each train. This we have to find out. Okay. So now let us see. All of you be ready with the scale and pencil. Exercise 5.2. Eighth problem. So see children, here suppose so children, here see, suppose this is a point. From this point, the two trains are leaving. Okay. So one train, first train is traveling west side. It means west side with this side only, no? Okay. So first train is traveling west side. This is the west side, isn't it? First train is traveling west side, and second train is traveling north side. So this is the north side, isn't it? North side it is. North side. Okay. So this is the starting point. So first train is traveling west side and second train is traveling north side, isn't it? So what he said about that, the first train towards west and second train towards north. The first train travels 5 kilometers faster than the second train. First train information is given, but second train information not given. So let the speed of the second train, suppose you take as x. Second train is traveling north side now. Okay, second train is traveling north side. So speed of the second train we don't know. So speed of the second train you take as x. Okay. Then what about the speed of the first train? The speed of the first train, it is given that the speed of the first train, yes, unfortunately it is writing there. How? Without previously not. Suppose speed of the second train, if we take x, then speed of the first train, what will it become? Speed of the first train, no madam, it is same again. This whiteboard is better. Yes, this is better. I don't know. Yes. How to decrease this thickness? Thickness, how to decrease? Okay, children. Here, suppose the speed of the second train, if we take x, then speed of the first train, it becomes x plus 5. Why? Because in problem it is given speed of the first train is 5 km per hour faster than the second train. Okay. So after 2 hours, right? After 2 hours, they are 50 kilometers apart. It means the distance is 50 kilometers. Okay, after 2 hours, they are 50 kilometers apart. Okay, so when it is happened, it has happened after 2 hours. Okay, after 2 hours, it has happened. So it means we have to multiply by 2. Okay, we have to multiply by 2. Okay, children, draw the diagram. Now write the explanation. 8th problem. Let the speed of the second train. Let the speed of the second train. Let the speed of the second train is equal to x kmph. Kmph nothing but kilometer per hour. Okay, let the speed of the first train x kmph. Next, speed of the first train. Speed of the first train. Speed of the first train is equal to x plus 5 kmph. Why? Because speed of the first train is 5 kilometers faster than the second train. No? Okay. Next. After 2 hours, they are 50 kilometers apart. After 2 hours, they are 50 kilometers apart. Okay. Here, distance formula you have to remember. Distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Okay. Distance formula, speed into time. Here, why we have taken into 2 means distance traveled, the first car, distance traveled, first car, distance traveled, first car, west side, okay, with the speed x plus 5 and time is 2 hours. Okay. The same way, distance traveled second car, okay. Now here it, when if we take this figure, it is a right angle triangle. No, it is right angle triangle. Now apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, apply Pythagoras theorem. How to move this page? You want to previous page? Okay, children. Apply Pythagoras theorem here. By Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. So here hypotenuse, what is hypotenuse? 50. Hypotenuse is given 50. 50 square is equal to side square plus side square. Okay. Side square. What is side square? One side is x plus 5 into 2. One more side is x into 2. So one side is 2x whole square plus one more side is x plus 5 into 2 whole square. Okay. So 50 square value, 50 square 2500 is equal to 2x whole square value is 4x square plus here first multiply by this 2. 2x plus 2 5s are 10 whole square. Now 2500 is equal to 4x square plus here a plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. 2500 is equal to 4x square plus here 2x whole square value is 4x square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 10s are 40 x plus 100 square 10 square value is 100. Now 2500 is equal to here 4x square plus 4x square 8x square plus 40x plus 100. This 2500 send this side. 8x square plus 40x plus 100. This plus 2500 become minus 2500. Here what will be? 0. It means it is 8x square plus 40x. Here 100 minus 2500 is equal to minus 2400 is equal to 0. So here every term it is divisible by 8 now. So we can take common 8 from this to reduce the equation. So x squared plus 8 5s are 40 x minus 8 3s are 24, 2 zeros as it is equal to 0. So this 8 send this side. When we send this side, x squared plus 5x minus 300 is equal to 0 by 8. X squared plus 5x minus 300 is equal to 0 by 8, nothing but 0. Now factorize. So to factorize it, we have to multiply coefficient of x squared. Coefficient of x square into constant term. Here x square coefficient 1, constant number 300 is there. 1 into 300, 300. Middle number 5 is there now. To get middle number 5, what are the factors of 300? Factors of 300 to get middle number 5. Okay. So if when you factorize this 300, you can find the factors 2 15s are 275s are 3 2s are 6 3 5s are. Next 5 table 5 5s are 2 2s are 4 4 3s are 12. Okay. 2 2s are 4 4 3s are 12. 5 5s are 25, but we need here 5 no. So yes, here see 2 2s are 4 4 into 5 20. Next 5 3 into 5 15. So 20 into 15, isn't it? 20 into 15. So when we subtract 20 minus 15, here we get 5 now. Right. It means to get the middle number 5, the suitable factors are 20 into 15. Now factorize this x squared plus 5x we write as plus 20x minus 15x minus 300, that is equal to 0. In first two terms x is common, x plus 20. In the next two terms, first minus symbol is there, minus symbol you take common, and also we can take common 15. So x plus 15 2s are 30. X plus 20 again common. The remaining factor is x minus 15 is equal to 0. It means it is x plus 20 is equal to 0 or x minus 15 is equal to 0. To get x values, this plus 20 send this side, and here this minus 15 send this side. Plus 20 becomes minus 20, and when we send minus 15 this side, it become plus 15. Okay, but x cannot be negative now. but x cannot be negative. Why? Because x means we have taken speed of the second train. So therefore, positive value should take every time. X is equal to 15. So therefore, x means what? Speed of the second train. Speed of the second train we have taken as x is equal to 15 kilometer per hour kmph. The same way, speed of the first train, it is 5 kilometer per hour more than faster than the second train. It means 15 plus 5, that is equal to 20 kmph. Speed of the first train 20 kmph, speed of the second train 15 kmph. Okay, children, did you understand? Now, let us go for next question. Divyasri, can you please read the second next question?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
In a class of 60 students,
Ninth problem, easy children. It is you can do this ninth problem. 10th problem you read.
a motorboat heads upstream a distance of 20 kilometers in a river whose current is running at 3 kilometers per hour. The trip up and back takes 6 hours. Assuming that the motorboat maintained a constant speed, what was its speed in still water?
Okay, very good. So what is saying here? A motorboat heads upstream a distance of 24 kilometers in a river whose current is running at the kilometer per hour. The trip up and back takes 6 hours time. Assuming that the motorboat maintained a constant speed, what was its speed in still water? It means speed of the boat asking in still water. Speed of the boat in still water, it is asking. Okay. So right, let the speed of the boat in still water. Let the speed of the boat in still water. Suppose you take x kmph. Speed of the boat in still water x kmph. Speed of the current given. Speed of the current. Speed of the current given. Speed of the current given 3 kmph. 3 kmph. Okay. And the distance traveled. Distance traveled, how many kilometers? 24 kilometers. Now here, distance formula. Here you have to remember time formula. What is time formula? Distance by speed. Time formula, distance by speed. Okay, time formula, distance by speed. So what he said here, time taken to travel, upstream is equal to distance by speed, no time formula, distance by speed, distance traveled 24 kilometers, speed, okay, speed of the boat in still water x, speed of the current is 3, it means here x minus 3. Next, time taken to travel downstream, time taken to travel downstream is equal to time formula is distance by speed, no, distance is 24 kilometers, speed is x, okay, total time taken is equal to how many hours? 6 hours. Okay, total time taken 6 hours. So one time 24 by x minus 3, total means plus, second time 24 by x, that is equal to total time 6 hours. LCM take here, x minus 3, x into x minus 3 is the LCM. Here x minus 3 cancel, x will be x into 24, we get 24x plus, and here x cancel, x cancel, we get x minus 3, so 24 into x minus 3. Otherwise, you do one thing. Here 24 you take common. When we take common 24 here, so in the numerator we have 24. Okay. So when we take common 24 here, 1 by x minus 3 plus here 1 by x will be is equal to 6. Now 24. Now inside take LCM, x into x minus 3 is the LCM. So here x minus 3 cancel, here x will be plus here x minus 3 will be, that is equal to 6. Okay, children. Now 24 of here x plus x 2x minus 3 by here x square minus 3x and 6. Okay, children. Now the time is up. The remaining problem, the remaining part you completed. Okay. Simplify this equation and find x value. That x value only the solution. Okay. Thank you, children. Thank you all.